Hi there, it's Adam at Fordingtons in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around this 2018 Suzuki Ignis 1.2 Dualjet SZ3, finished in red with the dual tone black roof. Suzuki Ignis is a really popular car. It's great miles per gallon. Really nice sized boot space. 3 seats in the back. All in immaculate condition. Just done over 37,000, which is well below average for its age. You've got the radio screen there with DAB and Bluetooth, aircon, auto headlamps, and the volume and the Bluetooth hands-free. Full service history on this one. You can tell it's been really well looked after. Great drive on these, with them sitting a little bit higher up on the road. For a small car, you've got a great seating position. Very smooth. And if you'd like to see it for yourself, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye now.